Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is gonna be another one in the series 1 palette 3 looks. In today's palette is gonna be the Dose of Colors x Iluvsarahii palette. I just did a review on this palette and 2 lip products that came in the collection. That video went up on Friday. I'm gonna link it up here so that you can check it out if you haven't already. This palette is limited edition, but it's still available, so I thought I would do this video so that you can get some ideas on what kind of looks you can create. I'm not gonna be creating the same look as I did on my review video. I'm gonna be creating 3 different looks. The palette looks like this. It's so gorgeous. I think the quality is very good, but more details about that is on my review videos. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Let's get started with the first look. I zoom you in like always. Alright, I'm gonna start with the color Loungy right here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. It's a very nice pink with a hint of brown in it, and that makes it so wearable and so beautiful for a crease color. I'm gonna try to bring it in here too. I'm gonna go in with the color Poquito Más, and I'm gonna basically apply it all over my lid. I want this first look to be a very light and easy to create, but at the same time I want it to be sparkly, and that's why I think Poquito Más is a great choice for that. Ooh, it's so pigmented and beautiful. It has a hint of pink in there, so it's gonna go beautifully with the pink that we put on our crease. I started with my finger, and then I'm going in with a smaller brush so that I can fix the edges. That's such a pretty color. The shimmering colors of this palette work quite well with brushes, with a synthetic brush, which is very good because if you want to create sharp edges, then you can do that with a brush because it's not so easy to do that with your fingers. So, and then I'm gonna go at the edges and just blend out a little bit more. I'm gonna do a very thin eyeliner because the color that we put there is very light, and I just want to give my lashes a little bit of something. I'm gonna take this color right here, which is called Wanderlust, and I'm very lightly gonna put it through my lash line just to give it a little bit something. I like it, but I am missing something. I'm gonna take Finders Keepers, this black color right here, and I only want to put that right here at the edge because I feel like it wasn't dark enough. Just like that. I don't want anything else. With a clean brush, I'm gonna try to blend those two together. I'm gonna dust off the fallout, and I'm gonna do the lower lash line. I'm going in with Loungy again, and I'm gonna put it everywhere. And I'm taking Wanderlust again, and I'm gonna put that only on the outer corner. I'm gonna try to connect those two just a little bit. And then I just took a pink highlighter and I put it in my inner corner and a little bit right here. I just wanted something that is a little bit lighter than the color that we put on our eyelid. So yeah, this is... I think I'm gonna leave it here. I'm quite happy with the look. So I'm gonna do the other eye and put some mascara on, and I'll be back to show you the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I put the gloss that came in the collection, and I think it looks very nice with this look because the eyes are very light and shimmery, and the lips are shimmery too, so... Alright, I'm back for the second look, and I have a lot of powder underneath my eyes because I want to catch any fallout, because I'm gonna be using this black right here. I would normally do my eye makeup first, especially if I was using dark eyeshadows, but in this video I already have my foundation on, and this is gonna prevent any fallout to stick to my base. So I'm gonna start with this color again, Loungy, and use it as my transition shade. Now I'm gonna go in with Wanderlust right here, and I'm just gonna deepen up the crease with that color. In here on my outer corner. And I'm gonna take Sunglow right here, and I'm gonna start right here and bring it halfway. I'm gonna use my finger because they always work better with the finger. Oh, those two colors look so nice together. They go so well. Ooh, I didn't expect that. Wow. Look at that. This palette is so gorgeous. I have the fallout right here, and it's not gonna be a problem because I can just dust it off. Okay, I left some space right here in my outer corner, and that's because I'm going in with the black, which is called Finders Keepers. I don't usually use blacks because it's a scary color. I prefer to go in with very dark browns, But this black right here, it's so gorgeous. It has a lot of glitter, and I'm guessing they go away if you blend it well. Can you see that glitter right there? Yes. And it's a very dark black. Anyways, let's start. I'm gonna try to be careful. I'm gonna change brush. Yeah, that has a ton of fallout. Keep that in mind, because I am blending a lot and all the glitter is falling off. When I have no color left on my brush, I'm gonna go and do the edges, because black is not so easy to blend. I'm having a difficult time blending this one. I don't know if it's me or the eyeshadow. It is blending out at the end, but it's not the easiest thing to blend. That's why I don't play with black so much. I'm going in with Wonderlust again. Wonderlust, because I don't want the black that high. This I blended much better, and that's because it's my fault. I'm not so used to playing with blacks. Okay, I'm gonna take Sun Glow again, and I'm gonna bring, oops, no, that was too much. I just wanted to bring it out a little bit more and blend the black and the gold together, but I brought it a little bit too far. It's okay. I'm just gonna bring the black back. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Also, I got a lot more fallout on this side than this side. I don't know why. Okay, I was thinking if I should do eyeliner or not. I think I'm just gonna take Finders Keepers again and do the same thing that I did in my previous look, and just gonna line it. Now I'm gonna dust off the powder and the fallout. Oh, that feels good. You see? Zero fallout. That's a good technique to prevent fallout if you have already done your face makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line, and I'm gonna put Wonderlust all over my eyes. I want it to be quite smoked out. It's such a beautiful brown. I'm gonna try to connect things. I'm taking Finders Keepers again, and I'm going to put it right here, because I want it quite smoked out, as I said. And again, I'm going in with Wonderlust and blend things out a little bit and bring it a tiny bit lower. Now I'm gonna go in with Poquito Más right here and put it in my inner corner. It's such a beautiful color for the inner corner. And also, I want to put some on my brow bone. Alright, you know the drill. I'll be back. I'm back, and this is the finished look. I think it turned out very nice. It's a very smoked out look, perfect for evening. Alright, I'm back to do the third and final look. And of course, I'm gonna have to use Palma in this look. Again, I'm starting with Lounging, and I'm putting it everywhere, just like per usual. And I'm gonna go in with Wonderlust again. I want to bring it a little bit high, because I'm gonna do a halo eye, but I still want it to show. So that's why I'm bringing it quite high. And I'm gonna go in with Finders Keepers. I'm gonna do the halo eye, as I said. I'm gonna try to be careful. I'm gonna put it in my outer corner and my inner corner. I'm not dragging so much, I'm mostly pressing. I'm gonna take some more of the Wonderlust and go through the edges. And I want a V shape right here. And now I'm gonna go in with that brush and kind of drag things outwards. This palette gets so dirty, like look at this. And I've cleaned it like 100 times for all the looks that I'm doing. I'm gonna take Sun Glow. I'm gonna put that in the middle with my finger. Those colors combine so well together. I'm trying to blend it out a little bit. I'm gonna take a Q-tip with some eye makeup remover and clean the inner corner. Now I'm gonna dust off the powder. I'm gonna take some Poquito Más. I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. And now I'm gonna do the lower lash line. I'm gonna try to copy what I did on my lid. So starting with Wonderlust, I'm gonna run that all over my lower lash line. And I'm gonna do it quite thick, because I'm gonna put some black and it's gonna cover some of it. So And I'm gonna take the black and put it only in the outer and inner corner. Now I'm gonna put Sun Glow in the middle right here. Now for my inner corner, I'm gonna put Palma. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this color right here. You can do the same look with putting Palma in the middle instead of Sun Glow. That will also look beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna put some lashes and I'll be back to show you the finished look. Alright, so this is a finished look. I really like the pop of color in the inner corner. Palma is such a pretty color. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you're enjoying this series. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!